Workshop Wednesday every morning. Every morning. How about everybody? I nearly started over. I think I'll just keep going though. Workshop Wednesday. Good morning, everybody. Look, I got up early as always. Did my normal deal, but I always procrastinate and go through the day. I got to do Workshop Wednesday. What am I going to talk about? What am I going to do? And by that time, my hair's a mess. The shirt's dirty. My belly's sticking out. I'm hunched over all day in front of the microscope or wherever the heck I am, and y'all don't get to see the fresh Willie. Well, here we are today, looking all chirpy, and look at my hair. It probably needs a haircut, but it's all right. We're good. I'm at the microscope today, yesterday, tomorrow. There we go. Got her blowed up there. It got a relief deal going. So there's the picture of the spurs there. That's what we're going to be doing. And then here we are. So got background removed. I'm in the process. Almost finished up. Got most of my shading going on. Uh-oh, why is it focused over there? Got all the shading going. Let's see if that helps. Nah, it don't help. Anyhow, got on the other spur. I got it here like that. So I do it in sections. I got everything drawn in. Let's see if we can. No, let me see if I can get her zoomed up so that you can see the drawing. Yeah, you can see some of the. Got everything drawn in. Did it all the way around on both spurs. You can see it real good there. Got everything drawn up. So they get it laid out and try to get it as close to the same on all of them. Got the button to do. You can't hardly see that now, but that's not a good grief. This little focus thing is going to mess things up. When I switch it back around and looking at me, y'all probably aren't going to see me very good. Anyhow, yeah, I got everything drawn in. Trying to make it same. Got the button left to do. Away we go. So let's see if this works. See if this gets fuzzy. I don't know how to make. So this little square gets on here. And daggum, I don't know what the heck to do with it. Anyhow, let's see if y'all can focus in on me, see how fuzzy it is. I may have to start all over. Anyhow, because you don't want the big hit. I remember one time I had this on and I left the zoom on, and all you can see is my one eye or something. That wasn't good. I think I got that fixed. But this cameraman stuff gets hard, and I get the wrong angle, like I get right here. I see my belly pooched out and all that stuff, and that's bad. Y'all think I'm baby Buddha. I have to stand up and tuck my belly in and all that business. But back on Patreon. Patreon's doing good. Doing some videos on these spurs and the engraving process, and lots of engraving videos right now because I'm engraving lots. We did all the pinstripe inlay and showed the process of all that business. So lots of that going and doing. We have one minor thing coming up next week, the 25th anniversary of the Traditional Cowboy Arts Association show. So I'll be leaving on Tuesday, and I'll be up there all week in Oklahoma City at the National Cowboy Museum. Fun time. We got a lot of people coming this year. I think we're breaking a record on ticket sales already, and usually the last week we tend to get a few more, get a little rush on. Okay, we're going to be able to make it. Schedule's free. Let's go to Oklahoma City. So. That's all happening next week, and I'll try to do Workshop Wednesday. I'll badger some of them guys, some of my compadres into being on it with me or something like that. But we'll enjoy it. It's going to be a good time and see what transpires in the world. So what else we got? Podcast good. Y'all listen this week. Who do we have this week? David Sampson. Did I have David Sampson? I think we had David Sampson this week. We sure did. And that's always great. David Sampson's a great man, and so very interesting stories with David. So anyhow, podcast, that's on Spotify, Monday mornings with Carrie and Willie. Patreon, told you about Patreon. Told you about the show next week. I don't know what else. All's good. Hope y'all doing good. And Tuesdays at 2. We did that yesterday. Answered a few questions. Shout out to my buddy Gunny for asking a question. So that was all fun, and got my camera angle back on the camera angle. I'll shut up about the camera angle. It ain't that big a deal. But anyhow, y'all have fun, and I hope to see you in Oklahoma City. It's a good time, and if you've never been, you're a maker, you should go see it. If you're a collector and a consumer of the Western story, no place like it. It's the absolute best. We'll see y'all soon. Adios.